let's go back to our main wallet and hit new transaction and then transfer coins between wallets. We've already got this pre-selected here, our test wallet. So we're going to send, let's say, 5 coins to our test wallet. We can just put in 5 there. And if we want to say something, we can. We can say test. Okay, looks like that worked. And you'll see here that we've got some transaction information. We originally imported 13 coins into our main wallet, and we just transferred 5 CloudCoins to our test account. So that's why we've got the -5 here. So if we go to our test account, we've also got the transaction records for this. We see that we have 5 coins that were transferred to our test account. Now let's go to the SkyVaults tab. You'll see here that we've got 0 CloudCoins in our SkyVault. If I go back to wallets, let's go back to main and then new transaction. Then we can transfer coins to my SkyVault. If I had multiple SkyVaults, I could select the SkyVault that I wanted to transfer coins to. But since I just have one, I just got the one option. Let's say that I want to transfer 3. So let's put 3 there. Again, I could add remarks if I wanted to, but I'll just keep that blank. Let's click Send CC. And it was as quick as that. If I go over here to SkyVaults, we'll now see that I have 3 CloudCoins in my SkyVault. Now, let's explain a little bit about what the difference is between wallet and SkyVault. So a wallet is used specifically to store your coins for the long term. Now with a SkyVault account, I can send my CloudCoins over the internet to another user that has their own SkyVault account. So let's put this into practice here. I'm going to create another SkyVault account. Let's say this is Bob. And I don't know if Bob has already been taken, so let's say Bob23. So create a SkyVault. Okay, and now I can go back to Brett10 SkyVault account and go to new transaction and then transfer coins. So I've got a couple of options here. I can either click between SkyVaults, which will give me a drop-down menu and allow me to select which of my SkyVaults that I want to transfer coins to. There's only one other one here, so there would only be one option. Or I can choose transfer coins to another SkyVault user, which I'm going to do. Now, if I have a friend that has a SkyVault account, maybe it's robbie.skyvault.cc, then I would be able to transfer, let's say I just want to transfer 1 CloudCoin. I could do that, but I don't know a Robbie with a SkyVault account, so I'm not going to do that. So let's just replace this with bob23.skyvault.cc, because I know that person exists because I created it right here. So let's just send the 1 CloudCoin to Bob. And it looks like it worked. I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and we'll see that I've got 1 CloudCoin right there.